Senators Jinggoy Estrada and Alan Peter Cayetano trade barbs, with Estrada accusing those implicating him in the pork barrel scam of politicking for 2016.
Tinira walang humpay, Mr. President. Kaya po ako nagsalita nung caucus natin dahil may mga ibang senador, kako, na gustong gamitin ang Blue Ribbon Committee hearing to further their political interest. Nag-grandstanding eh. Halos lahat kung napapansin ninyo. Wala nang ibang inatupag. Kundi parang gusto na nila i-coach yung kanilang yung mga resource persons present noon. Banggitin nilang Estrada, Revilla, Enrile, na hindi na in aid of legislation to eh. In aid of 2016 na ito eh.
Estrada again hits what he calls the trial by publicity against him and the other senators accused in the scam. He also defends his decision to speak out on the allegations against him.
Pag ikaw naman nagpapa-interview sa media at binabanatan mo ang kapwa mo senador, natural lang, bilang isang colleague o bilang isang naakusahan o bilang isang pinatutukuyan sa iyong mga interview sa media, natural lang, nasasagot ako. Kailangan ko i-depensa na sarili ko. Ano ako, mananahimik na lang? Uupo na lang at magdadasal? Hindi naman ako ganun. If you want to choose your battle, I will give you your battle. Oh.
I agree. But I'm saying is that you did not stop there eh.
But Cayetano rebuts Estrada's statement, saying there seems to be a double standard when senators are involved.
Kung meron publicity na nangyayari because of the cases filed, because of the COA report, that is not trial by publicity. Why does the Vice President and Senator Estrada keep saying there's trial by publicity? So nung lumabas yung COA report na bilyong-bilyong pisong nawawala, hindi ba dapat sagutin natin? So may I know from the gentleman from San Juan, why he's accusing everyone, even the media, for trial by publicity, when in fact he is a public figure? These funds are funds allocated to his office. Do people not deserve an answer, Mr. President? Bakit tayo may double standard? Pag ibang tao ang hinahabol at tinitira natin, hindi natin sinasabing trial by publicity. Pero pag tayo na yung akusado, imbis na sumagot tayo sa media, Mr. President, imbis na buksan natin ang ating sarili, ang mangyayari, i-accuse pa natin lahat ng trial by publicity.
But Cayetano says the issue is not about the 2016 presidential polls, but about public money.
I don't intend to run and win in 2016 with this case, Mr. President. Sa plataforma at programa. This is not about Senator Jinggoy. This is not about Alan Cayetano. This is not about 2016. This is about the people's money. Yung buong institusyon po natin ay nadudurog. Ang pagtingin ng tao sa gobyerno nadudurog dahil ang tingin nila kung sinong dapat nagbabantay sa pera ng bayan ang siyang pang nagbantay sa lakay. We gave